how to enable or disable Keyboard Show Lowercase Key on iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down and go to Accessibility. In Accessibility, go to Physical and Motor section and go to Keyboard. Here in Keyboard, below you can see the software keyboard. And you can see here the Show Lowercase Key. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. To enable the Show Lowercase Key, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this turn on, this affect keyboard that use the shift key to switch between uppercase and lowercase letter. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enable or disable Keyboard Show Lowercase Key on iPhone X.